In a stunning turn of events, the CEO of General Motors is reportedly in shock as a groundbreaking EV report exposes massive unreliability. In today's video, we are peeling back the layers to uncover the details behind this revelation, exploring the implications for GM, the electric vehicle industry, and what it means for consumers. Buckle up for a deep dive into the recent report that's rocking the electric vehicle world and sending shockwaves through General Motors, leaving Mary Barra's electrification fever dream in jeopardy. The world of electric vehicles is filled with dispute. On one hand, widespread adoption is pushed for by green marketing and political pressure. However, other publications raise doubts, asserting that electric vehicles are 80% more problematic than gas-powered vehicles and have lethal problems. Let's use critical thinking to explore this intricate story before getting too caught up in the moment. Discussions have been sparked by the striking difference between Tesla's continuous success and GM's declining EV sales. Even if the deadline numbers undoubtedly present a clear image, analyzing the causes of this divergence necessitates looking past sensationalism and into the intricate details of the EV business. There are other competitors to Tesla. Ford, Hyundai, and others are making strong inroads into the EV market. GM may be dealing with more intense competition than expected, which could affect their market share. Disruptions to the global supply chain, nevertheless, afflict even well-established firms like GM. These difficulties may result in production holds-up and reduced availability, which could cost you sales. GM's performance is dismal in comparison to industry leaders like Tesla and BYD, who are expected to sell almost 2 million electric vehicles this year. Their approach, range of models, and level of dedication to the EV market are all called into serious doubt by this striking disparity. Not only are the latest second quarter results disappointing, but they are quite concerning. The unwavering drop in EV sales conveys the message that conducting business as usual in this quickly changing environment is not feasible. An additional wrench is added to the engine by the new mandate. In the event that sales targets are not met, GM's already troubled electric vehicle business may face expensive fines. Barra's market penetration may be constrained by their obsession with high-end EVs and their reluctance to get into the 30,000 to 40,000 bracket. Most consumers are very concerned about affordability, which could be a big disadvantage for GM. Alternative viewpoints could be provided by investigating cost structures, production inefficiencies, and possible economies of scale in less expensive versions. GM's strategy error is further highlighted by the fact that companies like Hyundai and Ford, with vehicles like the Kona Electric and Mustang Mach-E, are effectively navigating the inexpensive EV category. By providing a greater variety of EVs at lower prices, manufacturers may be able to appeal to a wider spectrum of consumers. Cost-cutting measures and process optimization may increase the viability of cheap EVs without sacrificing profitability. Collaborating with producers of batteries or suppliers of technologies may quicken research and possibly reduce manufacturing expenses. Early adopters have been accustomed to the Tesla brand, giving the company a competitive advantage in the EV industry. Their existing clientele offers a strong base upon which to develop in the future. Due to their appealing mix of pricing, performance, and range, Tesla's Model 3 and Model Y are still very well-liked options among buyers. Their emphasis on these fundamental principles may offer a tactical edge. Compared to rivals like GM, they may have more control over their supply chain and more efficient production methods because of their vertical integration and emphasis on internal production. The fact that GM only produces a small number of EV cars could work against them. By adding a variety of products to their portfolio, they might reduce risks and increase their appeal. Even though it might not be possible to duplicate Tesla's complete business strategy, GM can benefit from the rivals' advantages in areas like software development, customer service, and battery manufacture. Though the EV market is still in its infancy and going through growth pains, now is the perfect time for critical examination, advancement, and modification. Rather than writing off EVs as a lost cause, let's take this as a chance to hold all industry participants accountable, transparent, and committed to constant progress. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay connected with our journey through the world of innovation. Feel free to share your thoughts and comments below. We'd like to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting insights into the world of technology and innovation.